With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question over here is deficiency symptoms of readily mobilized essential elements will first appear in option A, younger tissues, option B, older tissues, option C, roots, and option D, shoots. So here the question is, if the readily mobilized essential elements are deficient, so the deficiency symptoms will appear in which part of the plant body? Very first. Alright, so let us try to understand this question. The readily or actively mobilized essential elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, right? These are the these are the essential elements. So these actively or readily mobilized essential elements, they are first of all transported to the young and developing tissues, right? Other than the older tissues, the young and developing tissues first of all receive this actively mobilized essential elements. So the deficiency symptoms will obviously develop in the older tissues. Alright, in the older tissues, because those tissues are, you can say, lacking. They are deficient in these essential elements. Alright, so the biomolecules containing this, you can say, these nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, when they are broken down, so these elements are made mobilized and they are transported to the young and developing tissues rather than the older tissues. So the symptoms will develop in the older tissues. Alright, so let us write it over here. The actively mobilized essential elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. are first transported to the young and developing tissues The organic compounds containing these essential elements are when broken down, they release and mobilize these essential elements in the older tissues. These elements are then transported to the young developing tissues. Alright, so the essential elements which are produced in the older tissues, they are transported readily to the young and developing tissues. So there is always a lack of these tissues, elements in the older tissues, right? So that's why the deficiency syndrome or deficiency symptoms of these essential elements will first develop in the older tissues. So hence the deficiency symptoms of these essential elements would first develop in older tissues. Hence the correct answer is option B. Hence the correct answer is option B. Alright, here the question was deficiency symptoms of readily mobilized essential elements will first appear in, that is option B, older tissues. Alright, because they are lacking these essential elements. Alright, I hope you understood my explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.